On the night of March 23, 2025, police responded to a child's call reporting a possible domestic disturbance involving her father. Upon arrival, officers prioritized a safety check and risk assessment to determine the immediate safety of adults and minors present.
Hey, how you doing? What's going on tonight?
Our door husband?
Okay. All right, what's he doing?
I don't. Do you know where he's Spinsky?
Mm-mm.
You might want back up because he's acting like a moron.
Okay. How you doing, man?
What you want?
Hey, come on, talk to me.
No, I don't need to.
All right. Well, what's going on tonight, man?
You called me?
I've been standing there with you the whole time.
Why the are you out here?
Well, come out here and talk to me, man.
No, why the you here?
In case somebody called.
Good to go. Bye.
No. County 9510, get me another unit out here.
What you gonna do? You can't do shit. Get a warrant.
Come out here, man.
You wanna play?
We're not
Let's play.
We're not
No,
doing that.
we're not
Wanna
doing
play?
that. Come out here and talk to me.
Move.
We're not doing
You wanna
that.
play?
I don't want to play anything.
Get a
We're
warrant.
not slamming the door. We're not doing this.
Who called you?
Don't ball your fist up with me, man.
Oh, I'm holding my thumb.
Okay.
F you. If
Come
I'm
on.
gonna ball my fist up
Come out
at you,
here and talk to me, man.
I'll push you on the ground.
You're not. That's not gonna happen,
You wanna bet?
man. I'm just trying to see what was. Someone was concerned. Somebody called.
Who?
It doesn't matter who.
Yep. No, who?
It doesn't matter.
Who called?
It doesn't matter, man. I just want to make sure everyone's safe.
Yep. Everybody's safe. Thanks for stopping
No,
out.
that's not how this is gonna work. How many people are in the house?
Step up here and threaten me one more time. Take one more step, and now you're threatening me, and I'm gonna put you in the ground.
All right. Here's what's gonna happen.
Here's
Somebody called 911. I'm here to make sure everything's all right.
Okay,
I'm gonna talk to everybody in this house.
Yeah, everything's fine.
All right. I'm not.
If you hit my door one more time, I'm gonna put you in the goddamn dirt.
All right. You can step out of the way, and I can talk to the rest of the people in this house. That's what's gonna happen.
No, no, you can't.
You're not in charge of this, is what...
You want to bet?
Yes, I do. Get your hands out of your pockets.
Or what?
Get your hands out of your pockets.
Why? Oh, I'm gonna hit you with a napkin?
I don't know what's in your pocket.
Oh, I don't own a gun. I don't have guns. I hate guns.
How many people are in this house? I need to talk to them and make sure everything's all right.
No, you don't need to talk to anybody.
That's not...
You don't need to talk to anybody in this house.
All right, how much have you
And
had
the
to drink
reason
tonight?
being, because No, everything's fine. Everything's copacetic.
I'm not asking you. I'm asking to talk to the rest of the people in this house.
You ain't gonna talk to my kids.
I am gonna talk to them.
No, you ain't. Who do you think you are?
Look, I don't know you and you don't know me.
Exactly.
Okay?
And I'm telling you.
You
ain't talking to my kids. How about that? And you know who the I am.
I don't know who you are. I've never met you a day in my
bullshit,
life.
because you
All
threw it over
right, you can come out here and talk to me is what can happen.
No, if I walk down these stairs, me and you are gonna wrestle.
That's not gonna happen. I'm telling you that right now.
Now, because you're gonna try to put your hands on me.
Well,
And I'm gonna put you in the
I'm
dirt.
concerned for both my safety and the safety of the rest of the people in this house.
I didn't touch nobody.
I didn't ask if you.
So get in your little patrol car and get the off my property.
That's not gonna happen.
You want to bet?
I told you what's gonna happen.
Because I just told you, get the
don't
my
care
property.
what you told me. I'm here because
It's
somebody
a private
called.
drive. Get the out of here.
I don't care what it is.
Oh, you don't care.
Have you not realized that you're not in control of the situation?
I am in control.
You are not in control.
You want to bet?
So you can let me talk to the rest of the people.
No, you won't talk to my kids.
Man,
There it is.
you want to come talk to me? You are not going to stop her from talking to me. That's not going to happen.
If she wants to go around the other way, she can talk to you. If I come down these stairs, me and you are going to wrestle.
We are not going to wrestle. I can
wanna
guarantee
bet?
you that. Why don't you just have a seat
For what?
so I can do my job?
Your job is done.
My job is not done.
Bye.
All right. Do not close that door.
You walk up these stairs and you come up one more. I'm going to take that as a threat. And
You
now
can
I
take-
got every
you-
right to put you in the ground.
That is not how this is. Do not.
Do not what?
Do not. Step away from me. Step away from me.
You can't do shit to me in my house.
Get down the stairs now. Get down here.
You can't do nothing to me.
County 9510, 1 at Taser point.
The doorway contact escalated quickly. The man was combative, tried to shut the door, and blocked access to others. He closed distance, clenched his fists, and ignored commands, increasing risk. Officers stated they had to check on everyone, used de-escalation plus firm commands, and told him to step away. When he kept approaching and obstructing, officers displayed and warned of a taser, then took control.
Open the door! Open the door! Where's he at?
You can't do anything. You're not allowed in my house.
Get in here!
Get out!
Get over here! Get your hands! Get your hands up now! I am not doing this. Get your fucking hands up! Get your fucking hands up!
Stop!
Get your. We're past this. Get your fucking hands up! Get your hands up!
I'm being dead serious.
Turn around!
Stop!
Turn around!
Stop! I got a cane corso.
Stop!
Stop!
Put away!
Get your fucking hands up!
Let's go.
Turn around! Stop coming towards me!
I'm coming to talk to you.
Get your fucking hands up! Turn around!
You're not allowed in this house.
Turn around! Turn around! Get your hands behind your back. Now! Does that look like your back?
Yep. They're behind my head. They're behind me. Hey.
Do not move. Do you understand me? Get your other hand back here. I didn't tell you to move. Let's go.
Dude, hey, I'm being serious.
I don't care what you are. This was simple. What you had to do was you had to follow
No, what was
instructions.
simple is I shut my door and I told you I didn't need you.
I didn't care.
Hey, he walked in my house unlawful.
Do not move your hands. Do you understand me?
You get off your power trip real quick, bud. You walked
need
in
to
my...
stop or you're getting ready to go back on the ground. Enough.
It would have been simple had you just sat down.
No, get your hands off me, please. I haven't given him any kind of trouble.
Is that why you had to point a taser at you?
Oh, what? When he walked in my house unlawful?
We're here for a disturbance.
Let's
So
play
you
that
walk in the
game.
house,
When he
sit down. Sit down.
Have a seat.
No.
Have a seat.
Oh my! You just slammed my mother. Who the?
Get in the seat.
Who the? You think you are? You slammed my head off the wall.
If you'd sit down, you
Get
No!
Get in the seat.
Get off me, and
Get
I'll
in.
get in. Get your hands off me,
Get in the seat.
motherfucker.
He's got his hands off you. You said you were going to get in. Get in.
I am. Shut up.
You got about 3 seconds before we
On
put hands
what?
back
On
on you.
what?
I'm going to put hands back on you and make you get in
Oh
the seat.
yeah.
Sit down.
I meant. Get your. You a big motherfucker, aren't you? When tough on someone's back.
How you been?
How you been, big guy?
All right. How's it going? He's like that all the time when he drinks.
Yeah.
Man.
I imagine you would know.
Yeah, I know him too well.
He called. The kid called.
The kid calls. Yeah.
That's fine. I'm fine. Charges.
Afterward, family and the child reported ongoing verbal abuse, property damage, and fear, and asked for separation and longer-term protection. Officers explained how to obtain an emergency protection/restraining order and documented statements and damage. The man was charged with domestic battery and resisting arrest.
Open the door! Open the door! Where's he at?
You can't do anything. You're not allowed in my house.
Get in here!
Get out.
Get over here! Get your hands! Get your hands up now! I am not doing this. Get your fucking hands up! Get your
Balls. Because look at all these fireball and shit. And finally, because he keeps yelling at my daughter. And so finally, I said, he raises his voice, or just make it hear and call 911 so he doesn't know that I did it, because I can't get by myself long enough just to get him to go, because I can't stand the verbal abuse and him breaking everything every time I blink.
Yeah.
You know, you're a little ass dog, I guarantee it. And I will press charges on this motherfucker.
We have one son together, but I have 4 other children, and my children are biracial. Those 4. And I'm so tired of all the time recently hearing Nick this and Nick that, and because I went and I didn't ask him for permission to buy that Jeep 2.5, 3 years ago. I have to hear about that all the time. And I bought a truck, got a loan, and for my oldest son for his truck. And I'm like, he's in here trying to slam and everything and going on and carrying on because I bought or he thinks I only co-signed, but co-signed him in trucking. And what if he wants something? I should be able to co-sign for him.
Oh, I hope they let you out, because I'll let my fucking dog out on you too. And my dog is gonna fucking kill you. Trust me. They can't do shit to me. I didn't do anything fucking wrong.
All right. Well, what did he break? What did he break tonight?
Nothing yet.
Okay.
Just slamming everything around. See, it's getting ready to. You see, this is how he fixes holes when he scotch tapes them and shit. I can't even use my stove because he flung shit across the kitchen a couple weeks ago and shattered the glass of the stove.
Okay.
All right. The most we're going to get out. She's right. The most we're going to be able to take him for is resisting. And then he's just going to get out.
Yeah, go get out.
Yeah.
Here he goes. Yep. Let me go. No. I'm done. You ain't gonna want this fucking lawsuit. Cause y'all gonna get a lawsuit. Trust me. Slam my fucking face. Walked in my house with no warrant. Threatened to tase me. Let's see how that shit holds up in court.
I feel like I can be out here when he's not here. Because when he's not here and I'm out here, I can just like sit here and chill with my mom and everyone else, and I'm fine. But when he's here, I feel like I can't do that because he either pesters me or bothers me or yells at me for something. So I gotta just stay in my room the entire time.
Okay. So what do you want done? What do you want? I've been here.
I want to know how I can get him just to be out of here for good.
Okay. Has anybody talked to you about getting it like an emergency restraining order protection or anything? Okay.
I don't even know anything about those.
Okay. So what I'm going to recommend is go up to the Washington County Courthouse in Nashville, okay? Go meet with usually the circuit clerk or somebody. They have an advocate there who can help you get the papers filed. But essentially you fill out the form, it goes to the judge, and you tell the judge, hey, this is what's going on. You tell him the history.
I was praying to God at the beginning of this month they were going to keep him when he went to court. But they just gave him another court date and extended it all the way out to June.
Hi. All right, boss, man, slide out.
You good? All these guys for me? Shit.
The crux of this case is a dual assessment of immediate safety and ongoing risk. Confrontation and noncompliance at the doorway triggered control measures, while family and child statements suggested a continuing pattern of harm. Next steps should focus on swift legal protection, emergency orders, victim support services, and continued evidence follow-up. Final findings and legal determinations rest with official police reports and judicial proceedings.